All right, today I want to show you how to make a quick chimichurri. That's a green sauce that comes from Argentina, and it's great for steaks or chicken that I'm going to put on my little rotisserie chicken. And it's a great way to use some old herbs like your cilantro and parsley that maybe is going to go bad. Get it from the fridge and put this together. It comes together really quick and it only needs a few simple ingredients. We got like a handful of cilantro, handful of parsley, some green onions here, a lemon, a little water, and garlic. And not to forget, olive oil and a little crushed red pepper if you like, and salt, of course. So what we're gonna do is just start by putting in all of our little things into the mini food processor. I love this thing. I love making sauces and dressings in it. So I don't know, I'm not a promo here, but it's a nice little tool. And then for our green onions, I'm just gonna, like do a little rough chop to help the machine, and put that in there. And then we're gonna do juice of like half a lemon or one lemon. This is quite a large one. And this is kind of hard, but you can catch the seeds with your other hand if you can do that, or get a juicer or fish out the seeds like I did. I use a mix of regular oil, like an avocado oil that's pretty neutral flavor, and some olive oil, because if you go all olive oil, it could be kind of a strong flavor. And I don't know, the Argentinians, when I was there, they didn't use so much olive oil. So I'm trying to keep it a little authentic to what I remember. A little red pepper flakes. Not too spicy. Argentinians, I don't think they do too much spice, so that's up to you what you want to make it. A little bit of our olive oil in there. We have a little water. Ice cold water is the best. And a little salt, probably around a half a teaspoon or so, but we'll taste. Okay, you need a good amount of salt for sauces because you're saucing up whatever, your chicken or steak, and it needs to have that good flavor. Salt is the key. Let's go for it. Looking good. Have to help it a little bit, and let's taste. That's what we have. You don't want to over process it because it starts to warm and that will degrade the herbs. Perfect. It's gonna go perfect on my little rotisserie chicken. And it will keep in the fridge for a couple days, just fine. Probably 4 to 5 days, I would say. So try your chimichurri. Let me know if you try it. Give me a little green herb emoji if you like this video, and I'll come with more green sauces. Thanks. Until the next one. Ciao, ciao.